Dear parents, watch till the end. Because sometimes the key to protecting your children might not be just to react fast to potentially challenging or harmful circumstances and situations, but staying near enough, long enough, constant enough, to notice those potentially challenging or harmful habits, behaviors, information, or influences. Time is not just something you spend, it is something that reveals. It reveals what words might not vocalize. It reveals what behavior is trying to hide or expose. If your children suddenly go quiet or present with other mood swing dispositions, and you do not know what is going on, it is your time of being available, observing, engaging with them, that would tell you why. This video is your reminder that time spent well would safeguard or rescue what could be lost or damaged. Here is how to respond with intentionality and presence. 1. Notice what they are not saying. Employ your nonverbal cues skills. Observe, imagine, feel, touch. Children do not always have the language to express pain, but they show it in other ways. When you slow down and observe, you begin to hear what their silence is actually saying. This builds emotional awareness, both in you and in your children. 2. Do not normalize what you should investigate. Children who suddenly become withdrawn may be battling confusion, fear, or even trauma. Dismissing it as a phase is a risk. Taking signs seriously allows early healing before things get worse. 3. Make your presence a safe place. As Dr. Richie Adewusi puts it in his powerful book on parenting, The Talk Therapy, take time to talk with your children. I said with, not to. As much as possible, make your talk interactive. Do not just be around, be available. No judgment, no lecture. This creates safety, which is the first condition for trust. 4. Be the one to break the silence. Sometimes children will not come to you, especially if they feel guilty, scared, or ashamed. But when you lead with grace, you reopen the door. It teaches them restoration is possible, even after mistakes. 5. Do not rush what time and presence can do. Time heals only when it is coupled with attention. A consistent parent becomes a stable anchor for drifting children. Over time, your children feel safe to return, not out of fear, but because they know you are still there. You may not know everything going on with your children, but your time, your attention, and your tenderness might be the very thing that saves them. Share this with a parent who is feeling unsure or overwhelmed. Comment, like, follow, and subscribe to the #SlowParenting podcast for more insightful parenting videos. Not just hacks, but heart,